Floorganic, the new environmentally conscious flooring line from Kaindl. Innovative, trend-forward and more sustainable than ever before. The future is here. Silent and quiet, Kaindl Floorganic provides a 32% reduction in walking sound. The attached organic eco underlay reduces the impact sound and introduces peace and quiet into the room. Floorganic is ready to handle all of your common household spills. An eco-friendly, waterproof Aqua Pro substrate and the attached eco underlay make sure of that. These features protect the floor from moisture and eliminate the need for a moisture barrier. The self-sealing locking system further increases the overall water resistance. Whether people or pets, living can be fun. The floor is scratch, abrasion and impact resistant, and now, with attached underlayment, is also designed for quick and easy installation. Floorganic is remarkably durable and is excellent value for the money. Equally impressive is the span of installation without transition, now at 15 by 15 meters. Hygiene for big and small. Microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi have no chance. The antimicrobial surface and sealed bevel make sure of that. The flooring impresses with its high living comfort, is PVC-free and minimizes allergic reactions. Floorganic contributes to better indoor air quality for naturally healthy living and is free from harmful substances and plasticizers. Our floors can be recycled at the end of their useful life and thus contributes to an optimal circular economy. Floorganic is CO2 neutral and thanks to its high wood content has an unbeatable life cycle assessment as well as an extremely small environmental footprint. High moisture resistance, impressive sound absorption, beneficial for healthy living and more sustainable than ever before. Kaindl Floorganic.